So hello everyone, this is the part 2 of Visual Studio introduction, and in this we'll be learning more about Visual Studio. So in the earlier video I explained you about the panels and how you can open the files, and I also told you something about the intelligence feature or the emmet feature, which gives you this automatic code completion. So for example this one, so you can do this one as well, and it also gives you the tag completion or the completion auto completion of the code. So this is built in this Visual Studio Code, and if you save this then the dot will be gone, so it means it is saved. And if there are some dots in the file name, then you can see that this is not saved. So if I click on that and click on save, then it will be gone. Also, one important thing or one cool thing that I wanted to show you is that you can change the color theme in this, which you can easily change by going into the preferences. So you can go directly with the command palette also, by going into this command palette. You can click on this. There is a shortcut key also, Control Shift P. You can write that. And if you want to go to the color theme, you can just search for the theme here. So you can see that color theme is here in the preferences. You can write the shortcut key as well. Click on that, and if I switch between the color themes, so you can see the look of Visual Studio is changing. So you can choose any of that if you want. So for example, this one, or no, this one is not looking good. So anything you like, you can install that. So this one, Solarize Dark, or anything you want. So let me just choose this one, which looks cool. So this is how you can change the theme. Also, you can change the icons in here, which is there, like the index.html is having one icon, the HTML icon. You can change and customize that as well. You can click on that and click on command palette again, or you can directly write the shortcut key, which is Control Shift P. If I click on that, I'm again into this, and I can go to anywhere from here. So let's go to the icon theme, or icon theme. Let me just write it. Change icon theme. You can click on this, and you can uh, change the different icons. Right now I have selected material icon, which is an extension. You can also install that, and that gives you some cool icons. So you can see that icons are changing. Minimal will not be having some great icons. SETI will be having the default icons which Visual Studio provides. You can also use this one, VS Code icons. This one is also an extra extension you can install. I'll be going with the material icon theme because it is a great one and looks good. So you can also install additional file icon themes if you want. If I click on this one, then you can see that it is going into the extension, and you can search for the different icon themes if you want to install them. So that will be present there, and you can select that similarly. So this is how you add icons and change the icons of the files. Very easy. So you can do that easily. Also, this one at the right corner of this, you see this split icon. This actually splits the panel into two, that you can work with two different files simultaneously. If you want to work with index.html and style.css in the same panel or in the same window, then you can work like this. Also, you can work like it is kind of two windows you can consider. So in here I can open the different file as well if I'm in this window. So it is you can see that it is here, and if I want to close this, then I can easily close that. And then if I want to close this panel or the window, then I can close this one, close all. So right now it is having one only. So this is what the panels are, like the split icon. By this you can split the windows into. Also, there is one option in here. You can see that this is our status bar, you can say. So this will give you the uh, information about the line numbers and the basic thing in which you are using. I can also click on this go or this go live. If I click on this, then it will open this HTML file into your browser and it will run your code. So that I don't need now, so I will not be doing that. So the other thing which you can do is you can open the integrated terminal, which is by clicking on right click, you can open this open integrated terminal in here. If I click on this, so you can see that this terminal is opened or this small window opened here, and you can see four uh, tab tables or tabs are there, you can consider it. So these different tabs are for different purposes. We'll understand them in the future videos. The main one is this terminal and the problems which you will have in this file, so that you will see here. So for example, if I generally CSS makes error, let me just make some error here. So you can see that the error is highlighted here, that this one is expected but you wrote something else. So you can see that it is highlighting that error or that problem. I can write the CMD commands or PowerShell commands in here, or you can write your terminal command if you're having the Mac. So this is very great when you want to install some packages, or you want to work with the like React or Node.js. So for that you have to constantly write some commands, so that you can write in here. So that's why it is very good feature in Visual Studio Code. So these are some things which I wanted to tell you in this video. In the next video, we'll be talking about more about Visual Studio Code, and let's see what we get in the next video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the another one.